that nothing could be easier than doing the laundry with a washing machine. However, even this trivial chore has a lot more subtleties than you could imagine. Today's video will discuss 7 crucial laundry mistakes that can ruin your clothes. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Number 1. Overly high water temperature. Clothes will keep their shape and color better and wear out slower if you wash them at lower temperatures. Besides, water or cool water can cope with dirt just as well as hot water if you have a good washing machine and detergent. Only things like nylon or towels can be washed at 190 degrees Fahrenheit for disinfections. All the rest can make do with lower temperatures. Number 2. Loading the machines with heavily stained clothes. Heavily soiled items should be pre-soaked and stained clothes should be carefully washed by hand or treated with a stain remover before putting them into the washing machine. Otherwise, the dust might not come off properly. Number 3. Too much detergent or softener. A sulfur of detergent can clog the detergent containers and cause an unpleasant smell, and too much softener makes clothes less easy to rinse. Carefully read the doses indicated on the packaging and don't forget to use a measuring cup. If your things are really fully, use the pre-wash mode or run 2 cycles. Number 4. Using softener for all types of clothes. Besides making a fabric move, velvety nylon softener facilitates ironing. However, it also reduces fabric absorbency over time, so you would better not to use it for washing towels. Number 5. Using bleach for elastin, lycra or spandex. Bleach with chloride is a rather aggressive agent that weakens fiber, so it should not be overused with any materials. This is especially true for elastin, lycra and spandex, which is quickly lose elasticity if washed with bleach. Here are some tips on how to take care of these things. Wash them only in cool water. Don't use fabric softener. Don't dry them in an automatic dryer. Don't iron them. Number 6. Washing denims too frequently. Denim producers have radical options on this point. They advise giving up machine washing altogether in order to preserve the color for longer. If you are not ready to follow these recommendations, the optimal interval between 2 washes in a period of 2 to 6 months, depending on how often you wear your jeans and on the individual characteristic of your body. Number 7. Drying it wrong. Incorrect drying affects your clothes as adversely as incorrect washing. Here are some tips that will help you avoid mistakes. Don't use automatic drying too often. It makes your thing wear out and lose color faster. Don't use it to dry thin and delicate fabrics. Don't over-dry the laundry. It makes it harder to iron. Don't hang knitted and woolen items as they are lose their shape. Spread them out on a towel on a horizontal surface. Before hanging the laundry, shake it up to prevent rumpling and creasing. Do you make any of these mistakes? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.